It's pretty awesome to see.
I mean, they're on the ground. They've been hitting the window all morning. Look at all of them on the ground. I mean, it's.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds? And that one right there with the really red head. The really red-headed ones are the. Look at them.
That is pretty bizarre. And as far as I'm hitting the window, yeah, maybe we should start leaving the blinds closed a little bit.
Yeah.
So they can at least see those and not.
We need to figure it out.
I don't think they ever
We're
will.
just Walling, and Bob was out there earlier. He was sitting on that snowbank over there, but he did not come this way at all. Like,
Well, good. That's why I bought the seed. I'm not here to feed the freaking squirrels. They can go figure that shit out on their own.
such a badass.
Well, that's true. You know, it's. You know, the bird feeder, it's kind of. Like you said. Yep. There's one. Oh, look at this, Ma. They're dropping it on top of the handrail and then sitting there and eating it, crawling along.
Well, those ones right there are the females because they don't have any color on them.
You see what I'm talking about? Is how they put it on the handrail right here, then sit there and.
Yep.
If they would take a chill pill, I'd try and count them, but holy cow.
I tried this morning. It ain't happening.
Well, Dad's home. He just scared every single one of them off. Just like that, show's over.
They'll be back.